Ali Tareh is living the American dream. But when he arrived in the U.S. more than 2 decades ago, that's all it was, a dream.
Got here, couldn't speak a word of English. I had $300 in my pocket when I arrived here.
Boxing is all he's ever known. Born and raised in Iran, Ali started boxing at 11 years old, and it became a way to escape what was going on around him.
There were 8 years we were fighting Iran and Iraq. It was all bombing, and middle of the night alarm would go off. We had to run to basement and hide, and kids were crying, and everybody was freaking out for years. That's what it was.
With his country at war and life around him getting worse, boxing was his way out, but it wouldn't save everyone.
All the people in my age, my friends, were going to school or grew up together, either drug addicts, dead, in prison. It was a bad situation.
Ali's talents landed him on the Iranian national team and became his ticket out of his country, sending him to the United States in 1999 with more than 200 fights under his belt and ready to pursue his dream. He would fight 31 times all over the United States for 6 years, and he won titles along the way. He would eventually make enough money to buy his own gym right here in Pinellas Park in 2006 and begin the next stage of his life using his expertise to train. Ali poured his heart into helping the careers of others, fighters like Joseph Fernandez of Tampa, who he's trained for the past 4 years.
I've been in the sport for a long time, and we have that hard work, dedication mentality. So, it's just a great combination.
14 years ago, he got hit by a punch that he never saw coming. Her name was Tareh.
I actually started at his gym the first month he was open, and he kept asking me out, and I kept saying no. And then one day we went on a date, and I think we got married like a few months later.
The fighter went down hard, and 14 years later, Ali and Aaron have worked together to promote more than 40 fights across the Bay Area, giving local boxers the chance to chase a dream Ali's had since he was a little boy.
I look back all the teammates in Iran, all of them, they were training with me. They were hoping to make it here one day, just like me, to continue their dream. They didn't make it. So to me, if I slow down, if I stop, I'm cheating on them.
At 48 years old, he still wants to be in the ring with the gloves on. But his wife and promoting partner has other ideas.
My wife gave me 2 options. She said either she'll shoot me or poison me if I schedule another fight. So for now, I'm behind the scene, training them and putting the show together, trying to promote the show.
Raising a family, training fighters, and promoting fights keeps Ali and Aaron busy, but never too busy to appreciate the life that this sport has given them and what it means to give back.
This is a community. Through the years, we had so many people that came here, they lost weight, they found something to do besides just work and stress. So I think this is a great job, so I'm happy to do it.
In Pinellas Park, Mike Aarons, Spectrum Sports 360.